Welcome to Life of Hair. My name is James Atkinson and today's episode is a continuation of the series that started last Sunday. Now in that episode we looked at the purest shape of cutting a pixie cut. I do apologise about the first upload I made that didn't have the sound. I don't know what happened there. I did a voiceover and it just didn't come through on the upload. Weird. But I posted another one shortly after that had the voiceover. Thank you to Heather that notified me of that on the comments section. That is very, very much appreciated. I did try and fix the original video through YouTube's editing software suite thing, but it wasn't possible. That's a real shame. So if you're listening YouTube, then something like that would be amazing because it would prevent me from needing to upload another video if I could alter the audio whilst it was uploaded. Anyway, that's enough of that. This week's episode, we're going to look at refining, texturizing, personalizing. This is my favorite subject. This is what makes you stand out as a stylist. This is what brings clients back to you time and time again. Anybody can put that basic pixie cut shape onto somebody's head, but can they make it their own? So in this video, we're going to look really, really hard at all the techniques that I've used to personalize this pixie cut. I've got so many other techniques that I want to share with you on personalizing, refining short and long hair. The long hairs videos are coming, guys. I know that some of you have hit me up in the comments saying I'd love to see more long hair stuff. It is coming. I tried to film something really recently, it didn't work, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, look, it's gonna happen. So enjoy this episode, share it with your friends if you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, smash that thumbs up button. It really, really helps the videos get out there. And a quick little thing that's happening is that I'm gonna switch the ads on my video. So if an advert does pop up, please be sure just to watch it for a few seconds and it will really help me with my videos, getting them out there to more people. Not only that, a little bit of ad revenue wouldn't go amiss to bring more videos to you. More high quality content would be amazing in my world, and I'm sure that you guys would enjoy that too. So that's what that's for. That's what that will help. I'm not going to be selling myself in the Bahamas on the AdSense. I'm just going to be bringing you better, higher quality videos for your viewing pleasure. And I'll see you again next week for another episode of Life of Hair. First technique I'm going to show you is my absolute favorite technique, channel cutting. This is a great technique because not only does it remove weight from the ends of the hair, but it takes it away closer to the root as well, giving the hair a very seamless way of sitting on the head. I'm then going to go in and texturize and reduce the length of my fringe area. I always leave the hair slightly longer than I want my end result to be, with my basic shape that I cut in. For those of you that haven't seen that episode, you can go over to my channel and watch me cut that. Always feel the hair for texture, length, so you can really control the finished result that you are achieving. I think if you leave slightly more hair to play with in this personalizing phase of the haircut, then having that little bit of breathing room means that you won't take the hair too short when you're personalizing, and it gives you the choice and the option to leave little bits of length that really make your work stand out. Point cutting, a classic technique used by so many hairdressers up and down the country, and I am cutting with a vertical line straight into the hair to remove the least amount of weight with that particular technique. Back to the channel cutting again, just really sort of working the weight down on the hair, making the hair fit to the client's head shape seamlessly. Another absolute favorite technique of mine is the one that you're seeing right now, where I just take pieces of hair that I want to reduce the weight and length of as I see fit. There's no real right or wrong way of doing this. I just work out how I want the hair to feel, look and sit, and I reduce the hair down as I see appropriate. Again, feeling the hair for texture as I move around the head shape. Now I've bleached the hair, before I blow dry, I double check my shape for continuity and getting the perfect fit on my client's head shape. I could tweak and refine a haircut all day given the opportunity. Now I appreciate that that's not realistic in most people's cases, but leaving yourself time in your haircuts to create beautiful, personalized results is so important in my world. I will manage my time so that I have got the maximum amount of time left to refine my work. Final flurry, point cutting the fringe just for extra softness. I don't think that you can ever have a fringe that is too soft. It makes it more manageable for the client and easier to wear on a day-to-day basis. A little bit of clay styling product to finish, evenly distributed through the hands and rubbed in evenly throughout the hair. And there we have it. You will have seen the end result last week in the demonstration that I did of the basic shape, but the personalizing is where this haircut is at. And as you can see, she is loving her new hairdo. I loved changing it for her. And don't forget to hang on till next week to see the bleaching process. We managed to get this result without toning her hair. So make sure you tune in next Sunday for the life of hair, and also I have got extra videos coming up at the moment, so don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on any of those videos. I'm posting 2 a week at this point.